Hello guys, I am Elokasha and today I am going to tell you how we talk about the present in English. Okay? So basically to talk about now in English, the present, we have two different ways. Okay? In many languages there is only one way of talking about the present. In English there are at least two different ways, two most common ways to talk about now, to talk about the present time. Okay, so first of all, we talk about things which are always true, things and actions that are always true. So for example, for me, I live in the UK. I am a teacher. I love tomatoes. Okay, so these are things that are always true about me. And also we talk about our routine activities, that is things or activities that we do every day maybe, or every other day, or usually, or sometimes, or rarely, or even never. Okay, or things that we maybe do once a week or twice a week, once a month, once a year. But we talk about things that are regular in our lives. Okay, so that is one way of talking about the present in English. And then there is a second way of talking about the present in English, and that is about things which, or activities, which are happening now at this very moment or around this moment. So for example, now, or maybe this week, or maybe this month. So something longer, right? Something longer that is happening either now or around now. Okay, so for example, I am sitting at my desk at the moment. I am talking to my students. See the difference? Okay, so I can say that when I work, I always sit at my computer. Yeah, so this is something that happens regularly. Okay, but something that happens at this moment, I will say, I am sitting at my desk now. I am sitting at my computer now and I am talking to my students now. Can you see the difference? Yes, I sit at my computer every time I work, or I sit at my computer every day. Yeah, but I am sitting at my computer now. I am talking to my students now. Or I can say, I talk to my mother on the phone every day. Yeah, I talk to my mother on the phone every day. This happens regularly, okay? And I can say, I am talking to you now. I am talking to my students now. So there are two different ways in English to talk about the present. Okay, so if you want to know the name of the tenses, the first one is present simple and the second one, of course, is present continuous. But don't worry about that. I am just telling you that in case we have some people who love grammar terms and they love writing things like that down. Okay, so just give you a little bit more detail. So first of all, things, so the first way of talking about the present, things which are generally true, facts and things that we do regularly in our lives. Remember I told you about something that we do always, sometimes, often, usually, rarely, or maybe once a week or twice a week or once a month or once a year even, yeah, or every summer maybe, yeah. So this tense is called, yes, you're right, present simple. And I give you some examples, yes. So I've given you some examples before. I am a teacher. I work in an office. Okay. Another example would be BBC stands for British Broadcasting Corporation. Yeah. Another example, something that somebody does regularly. My sister gets up at 6 o'clock every day. Every day, yeah? So this happens regularly, okay? And then, for example, we don't read books anymore. We never have time. Yeah, so something that we never do. This is not part of our life anymore. Okay, so this is one of the ways of talking about the present. Yeah, when we talk about things that are always true. Yeah, for example, I don't know, animals live in Africa. BBC stands for British Broadcasting Corporation. Yeah, it's true. There are facts, okay, or facts about, or true things about yourself. Yes, I live in the UK. I work as a teacher. Okay, and then the second way, okay, we describe things that are happening now, at this moment, at the moment of speaking, or around now. So we can say, we can talk about now, yes, I am sitting here, I am talking to you, or now, which is longer, maybe this week, yes. So for example, I'm reading a very interesting book this week, or at the moment, yes. I am not reading now, yes, but I am reading this week, yes, a longer activity. Yeah, so this tense, it's a tense called present continuous, and some people call it present progressive. Present continuous is fine to call it. So let me give you some more examples. I am sitting at my desk now. I am talking to you about the present tenses in English. Okay, I can say I am not working this week. Yeah, I am on annual leave. This is something temporary, something that is not always true. It is temporary, so something that is happening around now, or is a temporary, short-term thing. Okay, Sandra is finishing her exams this month. Okay, so I wonder if you can make some sentences about yourselves. Think about what you do every day, and say it to yourself, what you do every day. Yeah, so for example, I run every day. How about you guys? What do you do every day? Yeah, try to think of something that you do every day. Yeah, something that you never do, for example. What can I say? I never play video games. I have no idea how to play. I never play video games. So now you try something. Yes, what you never do. Okay, now let's try something maybe once a week. Yeah, so I order a takeaway once a week, usually on Saturdays. Yes, I order a takeaway on every week, or once a week on maybe on Saturdays. Yeah, so try to think about something that you do every maybe once a week, yes, or maybe every week. Yeah, so this is what we talk about. Present simple. Now let us try to think about what you are doing now at this moment. I am sitting at my desk. I am talking to my students. Yes. What else can I say I'm doing now? Yes, I am looking at I am looking into my camera. Now guys, you say what you're doing. Maybe you are on your phone, yeah? Or maybe you are cooking, or maybe listening to music, yeah? You tell me what you are doing at this moment. Okay?